morning, everybody. It is hump day. Happy Wednesday. Today I have a bunch of Zoom calls that I have to do, so I'm sitting here literally in front of my laptop about to down a protein bar. This is the chocolate mint crisp bar. Had my coffee with my creamer, so there's my condiment. And yeah, looks like it might be a busy day. So I have an idea for the lean and green all ready to go tonight. And I'm trying to think what else. I mean, it's just so early. I can't even think about the whole day, but I know I have a couple things going on. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen already the church pew bench that I scored. I was literally driving down my street the other day and I saw it. My neighbor was tossing it out and it was like in perfect condition. Turns out I rang the doorbell and I was like, "Are you throwing this out?" And she's like, "Yeah, I hate to part with it, but I don't need it anymore." So I asked her about the history. It's from 1920, a 1920 church pew bench. And the seat of it actually opens up and there's storage in it. So I think I'm taking on my first project ever for refurbishing. I want to refurbish it. I want to paint it. I want to make it really nice. I don't know. I'm excited. But that's going to happen this weekend, I think, because we're supposed to have nice, cool temperatures. I can be outside and doing what I need to do. So if any of you out there have refurbished furniture, I know that I asked that on my Instagram the other day, and I got tons of responses from people letting me know the products to use and basically what to do. But if you don't follow me there and this is the only way you can see me and you are a furniture refurbisher or you love crafts and you've done these things before, let me know in the comments because I have a ton of questions. So that's exciting. Follow me on Instagram if you're not and you'll be able to see this bench. But I think I might do a little bit of filming while I'm doing this if that's something you're interested in seeing, and I can like put it in, one of my videos just, in case you're interested. But I'm super excited about it. It's just the perfect piece. I love benches. As you know, I have one out in my living room, but it's not a church pew. This is like so cute. Go check it out. You'll see it there. All right, so let me eat this bar. Let me get my Zoom calls done and my patients spoken to. Oh my gosh. And then I'll go fix myself up. All right, I'll see you in a little while. I need a break today. This work day is proving to be very challenging. Still haven't showered. Still sitting here in my room doing my work. I have conference calls, meetings, working on my strategic account plan, working on patient charts. And I am an hour past when I'm supposed to eat. So my new box came. I want to do an unboxing for you, which I will do. But I dipped into it because the lemon crisp bar came. So I'm going to have this right now. Let me open it. In case you've never seen a lemon crisp bar, here's what it looks like. It has really nice frosting on it. Delicious. Very refreshing. And there's one of my patients. So I'm going to hang up with you guys, eat this, take the call, and I'll be back for fueling number 3 in a little while. Save me. Hey guys, so we're at fueling number 3. Just changed my clothes. Trying to get my work done. So I'm going to be drinking this today. This is Ruby Red Grapefruit Seltzer by Polar. And why I like this is because the label is so clean. There's no sodium, no carbs, no sugar, no nothing. This is the Ruby Red. It tastes like Fresca. It will mimic a soda. And there's no Splenda in it. There's no nothing, where the diet soda, I believe, has sucralose. But anyway, that's my fluid of choice right now. And I'm having a bowl of pesto mac and cheese. I love this. I love the regular mac and cheese. I know a lot of you will always say that you don't like it. I do, and I don't do anything special. I don't soak it. I just cook it like it's directed to cook it. I don't know. It's very good. Very cheesy, very spinachy. So if you like a true cheesy, you know, where it's not the cheddar cheese. This is a good one. I think you should try it. I think you'd like it. All right, so that's fueling number 3, and I'll see you at fueling number 4. Hey guys, okay, so it's lean and green time, and I made my Mediterranean hearts of palm dinner with shrimp tonight. So I have 7 ounces of cooked shrimp, 10 olives for my fat, hearts of palm, and 2 laughing cow to make a sauce. And I have to tell you, this is one of my favorite meals. So, so good. If you've never tried hearts of palm, let me show you. One second. This is what the box looks like. I get it at Trader Joe's. I get it in the pasta aisle. When I take it out, here, I'll show you what it looks like. When I take it out, it comes in a little bag. It's not like hard like pasta. It's soft. It's a vegetable. It's not pasta. I drain it in a little colander, like that. I drain it, I rinse it, and then I just saute it in my skillet. That's it. And I have a brand new one, so I don't need any oil, but you could do some cooking spray. I cook this up. I add my shrimp, I add my olives, my laughing cow, and it just comes out perfection. This entire bag is 3 greens, so you just have to add your fat, if warranted, and your protein. And that's all she wrote, guys. Delicious alternative to pasta. So good. Try it. I will see you in just a little bit. Gonna go eat this. I'll see you at the next fueling. Hey guys, so we're at fueling number 5. It's late. It's 7 o'clock already. I don't know what's going on. Today's just flying by and I'm missing my schedule even though my phone alarm keeps going off. But it's one of those days. And you know what? I could have gone off plan in a normal every day before Optavia. I probably would have. But today, no. It's a stressful day, but I'm staying on plan. I'm staying focused because I have a goal to meet, and that's what's going on. So chocolate pudding is my fueling of choice. No whipped cream tonight. This is fueling number 5. See you in about, I'm going to probably eat the next one at 8. It'll only be an hour, but I got to finish this day off. This is way too late, but that's the way it goes. So there's fueling number 5. See you in an hour. Hey guys, I just finished my chocolate pudding and I'm sitting there thinking, if I wait a good hour or 2 to film my last fueling, this thing is gonna be up super late. So I figured, I already know what I'm gonna have, so I'm just gonna show you. I'm doing the dark chocolate shake tonight. So I'm gonna fill my NutriBullet up with ice, water, and this. And that's it. And that will be fueling number 6. A lot of you are asking me how I make my shake so thick. That's all I do. I literally fill the NutriBullet cup up to the max line with ice, then fill the max line to water, add my packet, and put it on the base. Mix it up, and I get a nice thick shake. That's pretty much all I do. So I am gonna have this, by the time this is processing, I will probably be sipping on this. But I wanted to get this video up in time because otherwise, like I said, it's just too late. And a lot of you like to watch this on time if you're on the East Coast and you're not up super late. So I like to try to provide my videos up somewhere between 8 and 9, the latest. So that was my day. As you can see, it was very busy and boring. And I said to you earlier that on a typical day like today with all the stress and the phone calls and the Zoom calls and the nonstop, it would have likely been a day where I would have craved like a cookie or something, pizza, or just like some comfort food to just decompress. But we don't do that anymore. We just stick to plan. We lose the weight. We get to goal. And that's it. I mean, honestly, if I was craving something like that, I could have had a brownie, right? An Optavia brownie, a blueberry biscuit, a chocolate chip cookie. We have options when we are like in that mindset. But I'm just impressed. I'm proud of myself because historically I turn to food when I get like stressed, depressed, whatever. And I didn't do that today. So that's a non-scale victory. I'd love to know what your non-scale victories were today. Let me know in the comments below. And I will see you all tomorrow for another educational video. Have a wonderful night, guys. And remember, We can do this. We sure can, as long as we do it together. See you guys tomorrow.